Big G's BBQ, we back at it for another. We're going to be seasoning up a brisket today. Coming in at 13 pounds, man. Prime beef. That's all we eat. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to hit it with a light coat of that yellow mustard. I'm going to hit it with a light coat of that black pepper. Mixed up with a generous coat of that pork barrel barbecue rub, man. All over, don't miss no spots. Yes, sir, that bad boy all seasoned up. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. You already know the deal. Icebox overnight, pit boss, bright and early in the morning. Look at her. We out.